Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you're doing good. So, which one of the following is the correct sequence in the biological method? Read carefully and try to answer. And do comment me in the comment section that how many of you got the right answer. So the right answer is it's C. Observations, hypothesis, deduction, and experimentation. I hope you liked the video. Do comment in the comment section below which other questions, answers would you like to know from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.